In this video, we will be showing you how to create a custom field. JustDo is highly configurable. It will allow you to customize your projects to capture the type of data best suited to your project's needs. For example, maybe you wish to be able to categorize tasks and then filter which type you can see. Or maybe you need a field to record someone's contact details. JustDo gives you a range of open-ended options which will allow you to create such fields. Not only that, you can then decide to add them to the JustDo table or keep them hidden in the Task Pane. To begin with, select the project settings icon in the toolbar. Then choose Configure this JustDo. You will now see a window where you can add or delete custom fields. There are 3 different types of custom field. The first is text, and this allows you to record any text required for future reference. Simply type the name of the field under the Add New Custom Field heading as shown. Make sure text is selected here in the drop-down menu, and then select the tick option to the far right. Now let's change the type to date. There are already default date options in JustDo, with the start date, follow-up, and due date options. The date type for custom fields work in the same way, but perhaps in your workflow you need to record specific dates. It could be the date the client was last contacted, or it could be the date you expect a delivery of a specific item required for the task. Give this date box a name, and then select the tick option to the far right. Lastly, let's select the options choice from the drop-down menu. Give a name to the set of options you are going to choose. Perhaps it could be a list of industries, if you needed to classify the type of customer. So we will call this list of options Trade Sectors. Then select the tick option to the far right. You will now see the options field appear above in the list of custom fields. Next, click on the cogwheel next to the word Options. From here, you can add the different categories you want to include. After typing your category, click the tick to the right or hit Enter to add another. Once complete, choose Save. Close the project configuration window. Now go to a Task Pane. You will be able to see the custom fields you created. You can now choose whether they only stay inside the Task Pane or also show up on the table. To put them into the table, simply move the mouse to the far right until you see an image of the table appear. This is the Add to Table button. Select this to see a column added to the table. Data can then be seen and added, manipulated from the table. This includes filtering, which we will cover in another video. To remove a column, simply right-click in the heading of the column and choose Hide Column. Even when hidden, all data will still show in the Task Pane belonging to a task.